Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Appst Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your password on your Trust Wallets account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your password on your Trust Wallets account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Trust Wallet application. The home page of Trust Wallet application will appear on the screen. Click on little gear icon at the top left corner of the page. You will end up on the settings page of your Trust Wallets account. Click on security option. To get into security, you will need to type in your passcode. Once you're done, go ahead and disable the button right next to passcode. Verify your passcode that you are currently using by typing it down, and every time you enable your passcode again, you will need to create a new passcode. Confirm the passcode by retyping it, and in that way you can change your passcode or your password on Trust Wallets account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.